Objects have different attributes. They have length, they have a size, they have a capacity and weight. The easiest for children to understand initially is length or height or width. And the reason being that they can immediately see it. So young children, when they are beginning to use measurement, you see them initially doing a lot of direct comparisons.
It's almost getting as tall as Pablo, isn't it?
I'm taller.
You are taller.
So they make these comparisons between themselves and the blocks or between two things. Gradually, they start to use a measuring tape or something else.
7, 8, 9, 10 inches.
While linear measurement is the most concrete for children to comprehend, adults can help them explore other attributes as well.
We want to engage children in lots of ways that they can measure. For instance, to have containers where they can measure out unit by unit into a larger container, to maybe engage in counting how many times to fill a certain container.
2. Look, it took 2 scoops to fill it up.
Those experiences invite children to look at capacity and to start to think about it.
Jackie, mine is getting bigger. This one's getting bigger.
Young children can compare the measurable attributes of weight. They may not be able to measure and tell you how much it weighs or how much it holds, but they can compare it. They can feel that one object is heavier than another.
Heavy.
What do you think of that one?
It's light.
To engage children in measurement exercises, we want to have lots of measuring tools in the classroom. We should definitely have rulers and measuring tapes and scales, but we should also recognize that children may not immediately understand these tools.
They get excited when the tape measure gets longer and longer, but for me to say it's 36 inches, that is not something that someone who's 3 can comprehend.
It's 10 feet high, Claudia.
When you use non-standard units, such as Unifix cubes, to measure something, children gradually put one Unifix cube to another, and they are building up the standard unit. And that helps them realize that each object is actually counting gradually the whole length of their object. And that experience enables them to actually measure the object in more realistic and authentic ways.
Adults can provide opportunities for children to notice the attributes of objects and explore various ways of measuring them.
Is the length bigger or the width? Which was bigger?
Down.
Oh.
What's this?
You found the number 7.
Through planned activities, children can be supported to explore both standard and non-standard measurement.
So this ruler is 2 worms, equal to 2 worms.
Equal 2 worms, 2 worms.
Should we measure the magnetons?
Might fall over. So how can we solve that problem so that the x-rays don't fall?
When opportunities arise, adults can support children to problem solve and use measurement as a tool.
Will it fit?
I say
How do we find out if it fits?
we have to try it. We have to measure it.
It's up to 11, and how many, where's the light box? How many inches?
10.
10, so which one's bigger?
Me.
Is that very high?
During play, adults can help children notice the attributes of their toys.
Do you want big, little, or medium? Medium. Where's the medium?
Measurement is most meaningful for young children when they have to use it to solve a problem in their day-to-day routines or their activities in the classroom.